Mansion Stories. An 18 years old wandering girl with open hair and drawn old clothes used to roam the roads and lanes every night around 10 to 11 p.m. Ramesh, an ice cream seller who usually left by 10 p.m. after selling the ice cream, was running late today because of the high number of customers. It was around 10 p.m. by the time he finished packing his belongings. The girl who wandered around at night come near Ramesh ice cream stall while walking. Ramesh thought that another customer has arrived and said,
Sister, the ice cream has been finished.
that girl, without saying anything, started smiling. Ramesh felt a bit strange. He said again,
Sister, the ice cream had been finished.
and back to his own work. Just then, that girl stuck out her long tongue and pulled it back. As soon Ramesh saw it, Ramesh said,
Sister, please leave from here. I have to go.
as soon as that girl opened her mouth, a long deep sound of breath come out. Hearing that, Ramesh got scared and said angrily,
Who are you? Why have you come to me so late at night when I have told you the ice cream is finished? Then leave from here.
Now, instead of smiling, that girl started laughing loudly. As she laughed, the lights of Ramesh ice cream stall went out. Now there was no light on that road, nor on Ramesh ice cream stall. Ramesh started shouting loudly, "Help! Please help!" As he shouted, the girl vanished from there. When Ramesh came out of his stall and looked around, the girl was not there. Just then, Ramesh heard a song of someone singing from behind. When he turned and looked, the girl was sitting on the top of the stall and singing song. Ramesh got angry again and said,
Who are you and why have you come to me? I told you ice cream is finished.
The girl, now smiling, jumped down from the top of the ice cream stall and stood right in the front of Ramesh. Ramesh's heart started beating fast of the fear. In the meantime, Ramesh heard the sound of a cat from his side. Ramesh gazed out towards the cat. The girl vanished again. Because that cat sound was not for Ramesh, but the call that girl. Now neither the girl nor the cat was there. Ramesh was so scared of that girl and the cat. Without packing his shop items, he just pulled down the shutter and left for home. The entire road lay desert while walking. Ramesh was still seeking that girl everywhere. As he reached the corner of the road, he didn't see the girl but her shadow on the road. Ramesh stopped right there while walking. Ramesh gathered courage and talking God's name, start talking on that road again because he had not another way to go home. In his hurry to reach home quickly, Ramesh made a huge mistake. He walked over the shadow feet. When Ramesh went a little further from that shadow, he felt that the shadow was now falling behind him. Ramesh starting running to escape that shadow, but the shadow vanished from behind Ramesh. But the Ramesh start sweating due to in fear. But as soon the Ramesh looked ahead, he saw the girl standing in the front of him with her neck tilted, eating ice cream. Ramesh was completely shaking, seeking her in his form, and turned back to run forward his stall again. Now that girl vanished from there and come right in front of Ramesh and said to him,
Will you eat ice cream? You need give me any.
Ramesh said,
Please stay from me.
now the girl eyes turned white, blood start coming from her mouth, and she slowly starting coming closer to Ramesh while Ramesh start backing away. Then trembling, Ramesh said to
Why are you after me?
then that girl told him,
Earlier, there was another ice cream man who used to set up his stall here, and I like him, but he killed me by giving me poison ice cream because he loved someone else. Now I will kill you and everyone else who was set up an ice cream stall on his road.
after saying that, as that girl come ever closer to him, Ramesh fell down out of fear. That girl said to Ramesh,
Look into my eyes and you will find peace.
as soon as Ramesh looked into her eyes, his eyes slowly closed and merged into the ground. Now, humming to himself, that girl vanished while walking on the road. So, guys, have you ever been in such a situation where you are walking at night while eating ice cream and notice something like this? Then definitely tell us in the comments. And if you like the video, then like the video and subscribe the channel.